Right, so quick video about a modified rat trap for using against squirrels. First thing I want to say though is, in the UK this would actually be illegal because these types of traps aren't approved for squirrels. But if you was in a different country, or you'd made this to be used in a survival situation or in some sort of disaster scenario, then those kind of times rules go out the window. But if you use this now, it would be illegal. But it's a setup using a rat trap to make it ideal for squirrels. You could actually use this setup for rats if you wanted to, legally, but not for squirrels. Other countries you can. So you've got one of these black plastic rat traps in here. Now the reason I've used that is because you can set those with a piece of string. Because trying to set a normal rat trap in a cage is quite hard unless you can take it out or have a folding lid or something, which you probably could rig up something like that. I've done one before in a box where you put like a bar through. You could probably do that with this. So you've got the rat trap, it's on a base, got a cage going over the top, a bit of wood at the back. That could be another bit of cage if you wanted. String on the bar to set it. And I've also got there another hole drilled there, and what's that's for? That's to hang this on a tree. So it would actually sit like this on the tree. Squirrel will come up underneath, and it can't get hit from the sides, it can only come in one way. And I've also, instead of putting the bait in there, you would put the bait as far up the back as you can. Even if you had to put the bait on the back of the piece of wood here, so that he's in there quite far when the trap goes off. So all you would do is put your peanut butter on or whatever, set it by pulling the string, if this will set. Right, set it, your bait is already on, and then you would hang that on the tree. Squirrel will come up, because of the sides he's in the right position to get caught and get him good. And then you just pull this again just to drop it out or reset it. So I'll stick that in the tree to show you how you do it. So like I said, that would be illegal to use at the minute in England or in the UK, but other countries could use this, and if it was a survival situation you could use it. But you could still use this setup for rats, but you probably wouldn't want to put it in the tree, you just want to leave it like that. So it'd be a good multi-purpose trap, and you could use it in England, but for rats what it was intended for. Right, I think that's about it. Yeah, pretty simple. Bit of wood at the bottom, bit of wood up there, bit of mesh over, trap screwed on front and back, bit of string, and you're done. Right, thanks for watching, I'll see you later.